BSS Studies. I am Bala. Today I will explain continuation of rational numbers operations. Okay, so we already discussed about addition, and the next one subtraction. So if I take a 4 two rational numbers p by q and x by y. Okay, so if I take these two rational numbers, and how to subtract means p by q minus x by y. Okay, so this is also written as p by q plus minus of x by y. Okay, so we can say the addition of the inverse of a number. Okay, so these are the two positive rational numbers, and if you see, the subtraction is nothing but the addition of another rational number additive inverse. Okay, so the addition of two rational numbers, so in that one rational number is additive inverse. Okay, additive inverse of its own. Okay, so the additive inverse of x by y is minus of x by y, which is nothing but minus x by y. Okay, so the subtraction is p by q minus x by y, which is nothing but p by q plus of minus x by y. Okay, if you see the example, seven by 8 and 8 by 9. Okay, so if you see, 7 by 8 minus 8 by 9 is the subtraction process. So the LCM is 72. Okay, so 8 9s are 7 9s are 63 minus 7 8 9 8s are 8 8s are 64. So minus 1 by 72 is the subtraction of these two numbers. Okay, so if you see, we can write this process like this also. Seven by 8 plus into minus 8 by 9. Okay, so the additive inverse of 8 by 9 is minus of 8 by 9. This is nothing but minus 8 by 9. Okay, so the addition of 7 by 8 and the additive inverse of 8 by 9. Okay, so which is nothing but minus 1 by 72. Okay, so another simplest form is the simple trick. So 7 by 8 minus 8 by 9 is the subtraction process. Okay, so these denominators are different numbers and did not have common factor also. Okay, so if there is no common factor in the denominator, we took LCM normally, but in this two different numbers and there is no common factor means cross multiplication do. 7 9s are 63 minus 8 8s are 64 by multiplication of these two numbers 72. So the answer is minus 1 by 72. Okay, so like this also we can do. So this is the subtraction. Third one is multiplication. Multiplication. So if I take two rational numbers p by q and x by y, so the multiplication is nothing but p by q into x by y. Okay, so this is the multiplication. So if you see reciprocals. So in some questions they will ask like this. What is the multiplication answer of p by q and the reciprocal of x by y? Which is nothing but p by q into what is the reciprocal of x by y is nothing but x by y reciprocal is y by x. Okay, so into y by x, which is nothing but py by qx. Okay, so here px by qy. Okay, so this is the multiplication, and this is very important. Reciprocal means the reversing the numerator and denominator values. Okay, so this is the multiplication. If you see one example, (7 by 9) and 3 by 8. So these two are two rational numbers. So minus. So these two are rational numbers means I am taking one of the minus, like 2. So if we multiply these two rational numbers, 7 by 9 into minus 3 by 8. Okay, so 3 ones are 3 3s are. So minus into plus minus. So minus 7 into 1, 7 ones are 7, minus 7 by 3 into 8, 24. So this is the multiplication answer. Okay, so this is the third operation, multiplication. So in multiplication, one of the important point, write as a note point. In this first one, 1 and minus 1 have values of reciprocals of their own values, which means if I write the reciprocal of 1 is nothing but 1 by 1. Okay, so the reciprocal is nothing but 1 by 1 only. Okay, 1 by 1. So if I write the reciprocal of minus 1 by 1, which is nothing but. So if we write a reciprocal minus 1 by 1. So there is no change in the reciprocal values of 1 and minus 1. So we can say that these two numbers have own values of the reciprocals. Okay. So this is one of the point. Next one, product of a rational number and its reciprocal is 1. Okay, so the product of a rational number and its reciprocal is 1. How? If I take a rational number 7 and the reciprocal is 1 by 7. Okay, so the product of these two is 7 into 1 by 7. 7 gets cancelled and the remaining is 1. Okay, so like this we can say. So this is the second point. So these two are the note points, and 0 does not have any multiplication reciprocal. Okay. And if you see the fourth one, division. Fourth one, division. So division is nothing but, if I take two rational numbers p by q and x by y, so the division is nothing but p by q divided by x by y, which is nothing but p by q into y by x. Okay, so we can say that the division is nothing but the product of this rational number and the multiplicative reciprocal of this rational number. Okay, so this is the division. If you see one of the example, 7 by 9 and 8 by 3. See here, there is division is 7 by 9 divided by 8 by 3, which is nothing but 7 by 9 and 3 by 8. 3 ones are 3 threes are. And the answer is 7 by 24. Okay. So this is the fourth operation, division. So up to this, rational numbers are completed. And if we see some properties, so in this first one, closure property. So closure property means if we go with addition, first one, first of all take A, B, C, D are 4 integers or rational numbers. For example, rational numbers. So first of all, addition. So the closure property satisfies A plus B are 2 rational numbers. I am taking one of these 3. These 3 I am taking. So the addition of these 2 rational numbers gives C only. So this is the closure property in addition. And if you see in subtraction, A minus B always gives C only. Okay, so C is nothing but another value, we can't say the values. Okay, so third one, multiplication. A into B is always gives C only. Okay, so this is the multiplication. And if we see division, A divided by B is also gives C only. Okay, so this is the closure property. And if you see commutative property, next one, commutative property. Second one, commutative property. So the first one is addition. First of all, addition. So commutative property is nothing but if I take A plus B are 2 rational numbers added, the same result will give B plus A also. Okay. Second one, subtraction. Subtraction means A minus B is also gives B minus A, but it is failed. This property not satisfies like this. Okay, so in subtraction, commutative property not satisfies. Okay, and if we say multiplication, A into B is also gives B into A. Okay, and the division, if you see division, A divided by B is also gives B divided by A, but this not satisfies. Okay, so this is the commutative property. If you see associative property, associative property. So from this I am saying only addition. So associative property is nothing but if I take A plus B as one combination and C another, so another will be A plus another combination like this. Okay, so this gives same result only. Okay, and the fourth property, distributive property. Distributive property. Here distributive property is nothing but under multiplication and addition we have to say, which means if I take C as the one of the number and B plus C is one of the case, and multiply CA plus CB is nothing but distributive property. Okay, so like this we have to multiply with addition of two numbers. Okay, so this is the distributive property, and these are the four properties of rational numbers. Okay, and the today topic is completed. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment box. Thank you.